Good afternoon, student. Today we will study the development of male gametophyte. Earlier we are already studied the structure of androecium, structure of flower, structure of pollen grain, and structure of anther, TS of anther. Now today we will study about the development of male gametophyte. Male gametophyte. The development of male gametophyte that takes place from the male gamete. First step, that is the male gamete, and that male gamete known as pollen grain. Already you know the structure of pollen grain. Two walls, outer wall, exile, inner wall, intile. Exile rough or spiny, and intile smooth. Exile outer wall that is not complete, it shows a pore at a distance, it shows a pore called as germ pore. Now that is the first step for the development of male gametophyte. After that, what happens? That pollen grain transfer from one flower to another or on the same flower by the process of pollination. And after that, transferring pollen grain from anther to stigma, that is the pollination. On that stigma, sugary substance which is present on stigma that are absorbed by that pollen grain, and it becomes swollen. Pollen grain becomes swollen, and nucleus of that pollen grain divides into two, that are vegetative nucleus and generative nucleus. Two cells form, vegetative cell and generative cell. That is the first mitotic division. First mitotic division. After that, on stigma, after dividing the nucleus of that pollen grain, it forms vegetative cell and generative cell. Again, that vegetative cell, nucleus of that vegetative cell, that nucleus of that vegetative cell again divides, and it forms, after division, it forms two cells, generative cell or nucleus of generative cell that divide, and it forms binucleated structure, two-celled structure. That two cells are called as male gametes, two male gametes that are produced with the help of that generative cell during second mitotic division. Here, second division carry on to form two male gametes, from single generative cell. And vegetative cell, that supply nutrition for that male gamete. It is nutritive in function, it supplies food. And afterwards, that two male gametes, it again exert a pressure here within that pollen grain. It exerts pressure, and due to that, intile, intile smooth, that intile that are swollen, and due to that, that intile which is smooth, that comes out through that pore, intile comes out, and that intile swollen, and that comes out through that germ pore. Through that germ pore, intile comes out, and it forms the structure, that is pollen grain having pollen tube containing, in that pollen tube what contains there? Containing two male gametes and one tube nucleus, that is called as male gametophyte. What is male gametophyte? Pollen grain having pollen tube containing two male gametes here, and one tubernucleus, that is called as male gametophyte. Pollen grain having pollen tube containing two male gametes and one tubernucleus. That tube nucleus, that is from the vegetative cell, formed from the vegetative cell, tubernucleus. And that is the development of male gametophyte. How it is developed, we again discuss in detail. Here the outer exine wall, which having germ pore, such type of not a continuous exine wall, it shows a germ pore, and due to that, after exerting pressure, that intine comes out through the germ pore and it forms a pollen tube. Thus, pollen grain, here structure of pollen grain having pollen tube containing two male gametes and one tube nucleus, that is called as a male gametophyte. How development of male gametophyte occurred? First of all, that is the pollen grain. Pollen grain is male gamete containing two walls, outer rough exine, inner smooth intine, in the center cytoplasm and nucleus. After falling that pollen grain on stigma of gynoecium, part of gynoecium, ovary, style, stigma, and on that stigma that pollen grain falls by the process of pollination. After falling, it absorbs sugary substances from that stigma and it swells. And after swelling, nucleus divides. First mitotic division occurred to form binucleated cell, bicelled structure due to mitotic division, and larger cell, vegetative cell, nutritive in function, smaller cell, generative cell. And during second mitotic division, it again, that generative cell, it forms two male gametes, and that two male gametes and one vegetative cell containing tube nucleus, that due to exerting pressure within that, it comes out through that germ pore, and thus from that germ pore pollen tube comes out. Thus pollen grain having pollen tube containing two male gametes and one tube nucleus, that is called as male gametophyte. Sometimes only that you can see here 4 diagrams. Sometimes that only 4 diagrams asking for 3 marks. Sometimes that 4 diagrams with explanation describe development of male gametophyte. That is also asking board. Now here that pollen tube, here in stigma pollen grain present, swelling, pollen tube formation. That pollen tube passes through style of gynoecium. Through style, that pollen tube passes and reaches up to the ovary. Within that ovary, female gamete present, which is eggs or ovum. And after entering that male gametes within that ovary, that reaches up to the ovule and that fuses and fertilization occurs again 2 times. That is the double fertilization, most important term. We will see next time that. That is the development of male gametophyte. That male gametophyte, that is developed from the pollen grain. First step, pollen grain. Now listen here. Within your mind, you can keep 4 divisions. During first, pollen grain, because here formation of male gametophyte. Formation of male gametophyte, that is from the male gamete. That is from male gamete. Male gamete, that is the pollen grain. Now that pollen grain, after falling on stigma, it becomes swollen, and after that, nucleus of that pollen grain divides, and after division, bicell, 2-celled structure form, and the 2 cells are larger vegetative and smaller generative cell. And after that, second division occurred, that generative cell divides and it forms 2 male gametes, and the 2 male gametes formed from generative cell that exert pressure within that pollen grain, and due to that that smooth intine wall that merge out comes out through the germ or form pollen tube. Thus, that pollen tube containing two male gametes, one tube nucleus, that is the main gametophyte. Okay, students, next time we will see in front of that.